What's up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. It's so nice to meet you. In today's video, I'm super excited to do a full review unboxing of Play Octopus. This is a company that pays you as an Uber or Lyft driver money to put this in the back of your headrest. I'm gonna set it up, show you how easy it is to set up. And if you're an Uber and a Lyft driver and you're not using this, you are missing out literally on free money, okay? This company, they just got bought by T-Mobile, by the way, so they got a ton of money, like millions of dollars, and they're giving drivers money. And when you use my link below, you can get a free tablet to put on the back of your passenger's headrest. And I use it. I love Play Octopus. My passengers love playing games. I've found that I actually make way more tips with Play Octopus. And basically the way it works, I can just show you really quickly. They send you this tablet. You can hook it onto your headrest here, and I'll show you how to set it up in 1 second. But basically the way it works is your passengers will hop in the car, they'll play games, and a lot of times when it's set up, it's really like, I leave the volume all the way down because it plays like gaming music, and I play music in my car, so it's like, it's not really that intrusive, and I keep the dim down, and if passengers want to play the games, they can. If they don't want to play the games, you as a driver still get paid by Play Octopus, so they don't even have to play the games, but you get more money if they do. So anyways, I'll have a link below if you do want to sign up. You can get signed up in a couple of minutes, and they actually send out the tablets really fast. It comes with a free data plan, so you don't have to worry about that. There's no cost at all to you to sign up. The only cost, I guess, is you have to keep it charged. So I guess you could say that that's kind of a cost, but it's like you're using your car battery. I mean, you're charging your phone anyway, so what's the, well, you know. Anyways, there's no cost, and it's really easy to sign up. We've signed up over 1,000 people through our channel. Like I said, I use it. It's super fun. They're really driver friendly. The team, they throw parties around the country. I've gone to one of their parties. They bought us all food. I met a bunch of drivers. It's a great community. They actually care about drivers, unlike a lot of other companies. And they're not in every single area, so when you sign up, click on your market and see if they are. You don't have to be right in that market. Like if you're a little bit outside of it, it should be okay. Just try to sign up in your area. And anyways, this is what it comes with. It comes with a tablet here. All you have to do is put these hooks on the corner here. By the way, if somebody, I've heard comments, what happens if somebody steals it? They send you a new one, okay? It's no big deal. You don't have to worry about that. So yeah, you hook it up here. It's super easy. And then this is basically the strap you're gonna use. You put it right here. So it has to be this way, and then your passengers will get in. And it kind of looks a little funky from the front, not gonna lie, but I mean, nobody's sitting up front anyways. Yeah, you can go up from the front maybe and show. But you gotta like put this here and then pull this kind of hard with force and then come back around here again. So the way it works is you're gonna have your passengers in the back here. They're gonna get in, and this is what it's gonna look like. This screen's gonna be black, and it'll have a little sign right here that's really like dim or bright that just says tap to play. So passengers, when they get in, they don't have to, you know, play. It's not like, I mean, it literally is in their face. All right, I just double checked. I don't have the charger, guys. I'm really sorry, but and I already made a video showing myself playing it, so maybe I'll show some footage of that. A lot of them are like little trivia games. The passengers can actually win cash prizes. Passengers can win like $25 Amazon gift card. It'll say like, if you get the top, and they do give, I think every single day, a $25 gift card to somebody who gets the top score of each game. So somebody will win, and it might be your passenger. So like if your passenger's really good at trivia and they're fast, like they get the top points, they'll win. And a lot of times you get passengers come in, they really want to play the games and win that cash prize. And you as a driver, it's like really fun. It's a nice conversation starter. And thank you so much to the Play Octopus team. I really appreciate you guys giving drivers a way to increase their earnings, because let's face it, I think drivers should be paid more. So I appreciate when a company is innovative, creative, and finds a cool way to help drivers out. And apparently they're doing a really freaking good job, because they just got bought out by T-Mobile, which, if you know anything about startups, that means the founders probably made a lot of money because they exited. They got bought out. I don't know the whole numbers, but They're doing really well, so join the Play Octopus team if you'd like. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.